In this video, I'll show you how to find the SD card on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Finding the SD card on your Nintendo Switch allows you to expand storage for games, screenshots, and updates. It also helps manage data and back up important files. To begin, grab your Nintendo Switch controller and take a look at the back of the device. You'll notice a small, slidable panel situated near the red controller switch. This panel can be opened by applying a bit of pressure. Once you've opened it, you'll see a slot similar to the one you might find on your mobile phone. This is where you can insert your microSD card. Inserting or removing the microSD card is simple. To insert the card, gently slide it into the slot with the correct orientation. You should hear a small click when the card is securely in place. If you need to remove the card, simply pull it out carefully. It's just like handling a memory card on your mobile phone. After you've inserted or removed the card, make sure to close the small panel to keep the device protected. Now, once you've made changes to the SD card, it's important to turn off the Nintendo Switch before restarting it. This ensures the device registers the changes correctly. Keep in mind that the process might take a little time as the system reboots, but once it's back up, it will detect the SD card, and you should be able to use it without any issues. To check if everything is working properly, navigate to the home page. You'll notice that the system settings are functioning fine. If you want more information, head over to the System Settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Data Management section. Here, you will be able to see both the system memory and the microSD card listed, confirming that your SD card is properly recognized by the device. With these simple steps, you can easily manage your SD card and storage on the Nintendo Switch, ensuring a smooth experience while gaming. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.